I don't know if I'm okay. I don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be your sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance. A short bike ride to the crib using no hands.
Hey guys, welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turn on your post notifications. As you can see, I'm rocking this super cute highlighted wig. This hair is brought to you by West Kiss Hair Company. So of course I'm gonna show you what's inside the box, how I customize this unit to my liking, and also a full install tutorial. So if that is something you're interested in, then definitely keep on watching. Bye.
Lisa, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
So in this box, I received some goodies. I got a bonnet, a wig cap, some elastic bands, as well as a wig bag and an edge control brush and some eyelashes. They hooked it up, honey. It was a lot. So as you can see, this is a medium-sized cap, 180% density, 24-inch honey highlighted wig. Well, honey blonde highlighted wig. She is super thick. I think it's thicker than 180% density to my understanding. And then this is 13x4 lace frontal unit. So these are the products I'm going to be using to bleach the frontal. So at first I was just going to wear it how it was. So I took my 50 volume developer, mixed that up and create a nice thick consistency. Got my Got To Be Glue Blast Freeze spray, sprayed that hairline back, and then I just basically bleached the knots. And then probably like the next day I was like, you know what? I want this wig to be more ashier, more blonde. So yeah, after I washed it out, all of that, I literally let it soak in some purple conditioner and decided to re-highlight the highlights that were given. Does that make sense? So I focused on just doing like some money pieces in the front of the unit because I didn't have that much bleach. So I used the Blonde Brilliant Express Level 9 with 35 volume developer and also some conditioning oil to help not dry out the hair as much. But just beware, you will dry out the hair extra if you do decide to do this part. So I'm letting you know this now. It will dry out the hair, so make sure you have like a really extreme deep conditioner. But as you can see, I parted the frontal into different sections and I basically parted a middle part, and then here I'm just highlighting the money pieces. That's what I call it, which is like how on some hairstyles the bangs or the front two pieces are the lightest. That's what I really focused on, just so it can give that wig that oomph, you know, something different. You know, I've been getting highlighted wigs and I forgot that you could still customize and highlight an already highlighted wig, and it actually makes it easier to highlight because it's already lifted a couple levels, so you don't have to constantly process it over and over again. So as you can see, I do very thin pieces and use foil, and that helped lighten up this unit super high. Like, it was light. And then I let that sit for like about an hour, and then I just washed it out with just regular warm water. And then our next step is going to tone the wig. So as you can see, the hair is highlighted really good. Like, look at how bright these highlights are. So we are going to tone using the Wella Color Charm in the color T27 with 20 volume developer, and for one bottle you do 2 parts of 20 volume. And then I mix that up together and put that all throughout the hair, focusing more on the frontal because that's mainly where I dyed the unit. And then here I just let it air dry, and now I'm just plucking this unit, making sure the hairline looks extra natural, you know. And yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking and let you vibe out. So the hair was a little dry, so I fixed that using my Silk Sheet Infusion serum. This stuff is so bomb, and also BioSilk is really good for hair that is a little dry and you want to revive it. And then as you can see, I'm using my Tresemme level 3 hairspray to spray the hair first and then curl after. This will hold your curls as, you know, all day basically. But this hair is super heavy, so the curls did fall after, like, you know, a few hours. So keep that in mind if you are thinking about getting this wig. I would get more of like a shorter hairstyle because it's super thick, okay? And then as you can see, I am about to install this unit, combing my hair back and applying my mesh cap. And I'm going to take my Eben hairspray in the black can and just spray that on top of my wig caps. And as you can see, I cut holes into my wig cap. I am doing a bald cap method because this hair is super light, so I did not want any of my dark hair to show. One thing before I start the music, this wig was a little bit small, so buy a size up if you are considering.
I don't know if I'm okay. I don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be your sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance. A short bike ride to the crib using no hands. Oh shit, it feel like I'm floating, but I'm falling with both eyes closed when I let the world spin. Testing the water, she got my nerves tense. Back when I ain't even have a purpose, I was so eager to learn some things. Anxiety bring out the worst in me. Society paint me as enemy. My niggas making it by that remedy. I'm more occasional, don't do it regularly. Backs under my eyes, weighing down heavily. Mama been worried, the devil allegedly deep in the plan. Subconsciously wanted it since I was 10. I thought I was sharp on my scroll and my pen think it did. So mama found shit of them legs. She told me that's not who I am. But nowadays I put on for the fam, see her when I can. I'm surrounded by my feelings, I'm stuck on a Ferris wheel. I bet I perish with 140 acres. She want the horse and the carriage, a porcelain portion of garbage. I talk to the mirror, I know that life's not the fairest. I lost my can, I can't pay off the bills with the blessing. I'm sure I relate to the Reddit page. It's feeling like money is everything. Money is everything. It's everything I need. Till I lay my eyes on you. Know what this is, yeah, but it feel like it's real, baby. I don't wanna pretend, no. I just wanna come clear, wanna see you again. I wanna see you again. I wanna see you again. Yeah. Young nigga used to think this was everything I need, right? Not so fond of change, I'm too caught up in my way of thinking. I get by on me, no, I don't need nobody, yes. I was so naive, somehow I'm still all in on me, yeah, yeah. Way too many times I let the ball drop. Now I'm Steph Curry with the wrist flicks, so they cold shoulders never defrost. No deal, but I pre-floss with the money tree in a deep pot. So I'm Cornell Haynes with the rundown. Bitch, I'm all in the field with the cleats off. Everything that I wanted to reach, I had the tunnel vision, couldn't see far. Negative vibes that I feed off got me up and down like a seesaw. All these decoys hit the destroy. Usually keep it poised, but it's ultra violent with the power moves when I deploy. For the real ones, I wanna feel something. Looking for a sign that I might be worth your time, yeah. When I look into your eyes, it make me feel alive. I don't know what this is, yeah, but it feel like it's real, baby. I don't wanna pretend, no. I just wanna come clear, wanna see you again. I wanna see you again. I wanna see you again.
So I hope you enjoyed this song as much as I did. As you can see, I took out the pin curls and just combing through the curls with my wide tooth comb and just, you know, hot combing everything down, recurling some curls because they fell. But I overall love how it looked. You guys picked out a bomb hairstyle. Like at first I wanted it in a middle part because I did the mid, like, you know, the money pieces in the middle, so I thought they were gonna fall super cute, but then you guys were like, no, do a side part. So I did it and it came out so cute, so thank you guys. But yeah, let me know how you guys feel about about this unit. I love how I toned this hair a little bit lighter than it was. I feel like it gave more personality to the wig, because you know I always do like the highlighted wigs and you guys love how it looks on me, and I wanted to spice it up and add a little bit of personality. But that is basically it. I want to thank you so much, West Kiss Hair Company, for letting me try out this gorgeous unit. Don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Don't take it personal.